Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to rename your Google Sheets. So once you're inside any Google Sheets document, guys, you can easily name that file by looking to the upper left hand side where you have the name, and if you just click there, you'll be able to make changes to this document. So as you can see, it says annual budget. I can just rename this to say monthly or something like that, right? Let's give this one monthly. And once you're done, just click away and it's going to rename the document for you. Another way how you can easily do that as well, if you click on file, you will see many options here, and one of them is rename. You can click on that. It's going to basically allow you to rename the document as well. And alternatively, you can also do that if you actually have like your Google Drive open. So let me open up another tab and let's go to, for example, my drive. And inside Google Drive, you'll be able to find your document as well. So here you can just easily right click on the document and you have rename. So you can rename the document as well here. So let me go ahead and put a S there and rename it as well. And if I go back, you will see that it changes as well. So you can easily go ahead and rename your document from there. And the last way, or let's say even the first way how you could actually rename your document is by, if you click back and go to the home dashboard here of the Google Sheets, you will find your documents here, and you can just right click on it and you have rename as well. So you can rename your document from here as well. So guys, these are the ways how you can quickly rename your Google Sheets document.